name is Tigger. My name is Dougie. Where are you guys heading? We're going to the playground with Riley. Oh, that's where I'm heading to. Can I go along with you? Sure. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, cock, cock. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. What are we playing there? Huh? Hey, Riley. Do you want to play slides there? Huh? Do you want to play slides there? Huh? No. Do you want to play slides there? Riley? Do you want? Let's go now. Let's play, Riley. And then Riley has new set of friends: Dougie, Teddy, and Tigger.